तो ये पार्ट 2 है. Here we will learn about what is software. Software. Now you must seen its name. It is soft, but not so much soft. Software is that you cannot see. See, hardware we can see, but if we break hardware, what does work in computer? So software works. Okay, software. What is software? Let's learn it by seeing these things. Computers can't work using only hardware. To be able to do all fun things you want to a computer, you need software. Now, your software like your mobile, Android, your PC, iOS or Microsoft PC, and your other things, Apple iPhones. So what is software? Software tells hardware what to do. See, hardware has more parts than software, but software tells hardware what it tells, what to do and how to do it. Okay? Yeah. So see, software. So I will send this PDF to you and tick which will be coming. You have to read it. As question answer also. See, software. The software tells the hardware what to do and how to do it. Now, it tells hardware but what to do, but hardware doesn't know anything. So software tells how to do. Software is good. Now we will discuss what is software. See, hardware. Red color is hardware. So hardware is this full computer parts that you can see. Now text about software again. Okay. So see. For example, we can write on MS Word, read a previously saved document, program, and games. You can play like PUBG and etc. Might be some type of software have you used before. Okay, next is in operating systems. Operating system. So operating system I have told just now, like for example system are Microsoft Windows and Apple Mac OS. Operate that runs on your computer. It lets your computer hardware and software work together. Now Android is not a operating system at all, but it is a operating system that is not so much operating. Okay, next we move on internet browsers. What are internet browsers? For example, Chrome, Safari, Apple on Microsoft has a Mozilla Firefox is example. You can see any app, explore any information through it. Like you can find lot of information. Pictures, videos, and web pages. Next is explanation programs. Application programs do many things like Microsoft Word or Google Docs. Now this see, I am using Google Drive. It is also application. This is Google Drive only. This is Google Drive, which has its document open. Next is, see, you can write reports, essays, stories and more. Example of other application softwares are Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides and more are there. Next, last topic. See, when we get a news that your computer is hacked, for example, not now, I don't think you are happy, but see, if your computer is hacked, you will receive a notification that you will have. Now, antivirus software is here to be very trustable, because some antivirus software are not antivirus, they are virus that will harm your computer. Like people sick computer virus make your computer sick. For example, if many mosquitoes bite you, so you get sick. Same time, when computer viruses or hackers make your computer sick, they can damage information of it. And if you have a good antivirus software, your address in your or your address can be gone and they can come if you and make this. Like we have done this. Next topic is using the mouse. How to hold and use it. Only 2 days. Then we have done a full lesson that is part of computer. So our first lesson 1 was parts of computer. Next lesson will be more interesting. Bye.